how to get WPS Office Premium free trial. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to get WPS Premium free trial. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get a special discount right here when you're going to buy the premium plan for WPS Office. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So when you click on the link in the description below, you'll be redirected here and where you can get now a free trial right here for WPS Premium. So once you're here, just simply click on free download right here. And then there you go. So as you can see right here, it is now downloading. So just simply open the installer up and then you can now set WPS Premium from there for free. And yes, and then once the free trial is over, you can definitely use our link in the description below to avail some special plans and special discounts so that you can save money. So yeah, so these are the plans right here for WPS Premium. So we have the Pro plan right here, which costs around $2.99 a month. And then we have the WPS Pro plus WPS AI, which costs around $10.83 a month, and the WPS AI for $9.99 a month. So you'll get special discounts on these prices right here when you click on the link in the description below. So for the WPS Pro, you'll get a full PDF feature experience, full document conversion capabilities, unlimited template downloads, advanced text recognition capabilities, full electronic signature feature, 20 gigabytes of cloud space, no advertising, and this can be used on 9 devices, 3 PCs, and 6 mobile phones. And then next, you have the WPS Pro plus WPS AI. So this was their most popular deal. So this one is $10.83 a month. So this one, you will get all the features in the WPS Pro, plus you will also get AI features like unlimited access to AI chat, unlimited access to AI spell check, unlimited access to AI WPS photos, and unlimited access to AI slides. So yeah, and then for WPS AI, you'll also get the features right here from WPS AI plus WPS Pro, and you'll also get some other AI features right here. So yeah, so that's pretty much it on how to get the WPS Office Premium free trial. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.